嗯。
这就是所谓高层民居中间一个过道，生孩子生多了，结婚没地方住，然后2个房子木头一支加一间，这是所谓的高层民居。
Welcome to Xinjiang. Today is the 18th, and I'm here at the old town, the very traditional town. The town is very raggedy, and most of the stuff are built out of brick and mud. Bricks and mud. Looks a lot more Assassin's Creed. I'm such a nerd.
去年来的时候这儿就没有扒了，我去年来的时候这儿是没扒的，今年这已经扒掉了，扒掉了。
The entire town is very raggedy. Very. A lot of the stuff is destroyed. Maybe the government's trying to rebuild. I don't know. We have snuck in from the side because if you go in from the entrance, you have to pay quite a pretty penny to even come in here to check these buildings out, which is ridiculous. I mean, seriously, we're walking down the street and you're asking us for like $3-4. How ridiculous is that? By the way, I'm receiving some complaints about how shaky my camera has been shipped. My hands are very shaky. I'm sorry. This is not a video intended to be exciting. This is just a video that's, you know, letting you guys check out some brick walls. Oh, how nice. Completely Middle Eastern buildings. I love these architectures. So much different from ours. So this is a local mosque. Local mosque. I don't know, some people might find this boring, but I'm pretty excited. I enjoy these buildings, and I really like the whole cultural aspect. It's actually very nice. As you can see, a lot of buildings destroyed. He wants the there was a building over here, over there. Huh? No graffiti. 不可以乱画，不可以涂鸦。So one thing I've noticed about the logo is first they don't have ice cream popsicles. No, very rarely you'll get fine ice cream popsicles because it's hard to transport because they're manufactured inland and it's really difficult to transport them all the way out here. Oh, another thing is I totally messed up in the last few video. I keep saying the eastmost city, but what I meant was the westmost city. I'm sorry for those who caught my mistakes. For those who did not catch my mistakes, shame on you for not watching close enough. Another thing is, even though the locals are like, covering their faces and with a burqa and everything, and not showing very much skin, but apparently there are a lot of beauty salons and places that sells beauty products are all over the place down the streets. Also a lot of dental clinics, as I mentioned before. So even though they pretty much cover their entire body, but they still somehow very much care about how they look, even more than people from the inland, which is very interesting. And I'm gonna make another video where I walk down the street and the entire street is filled with like makeup shops and body care stores, stuff like products like these. So it's very interesting, much different than what I thought. I just kind of thought since you like pretty much cover your face, the entire body, you don't have to take care of very much of anything, but that's just me because I'm lazy. If I'm to cover my face, I am just not gonna wash my face. Hey. Thought I'd take the picture of the boy. Anyways, I apologize if it's really shaky, and I mean, not exactly a professional cameraman. It's just an amateur with a camera. Check out the destroyed buildings. So raggedy here. Unfortunately, as with most cities and towns and tourist sites out here, a lot of these places require entrance tickets and some sort of form of payment, some form of a fee, but the government don't really spend the money they collect on recovering and maintenance as the fee probably should have gone towards to. A lot of buildings just crumble and people leave, and people that used to live in these houses have no place to live. I don't know where the ticket money actually goes to, but clearly not towards maintenance and rebuilding and reconstruction, not going to the pocket of these people. And that was it. That was the old town. You pretty much saw what I saw. And did you think that was worth 20 yuan? I mean, $4? I mean, $3? I don't think so. And I need to find a place to poop. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I need to find a bathroom.